Today, I can say very proudly, India is having so many advantages. I came to Singapore this time to straighten the record also. Recently, we had even government of Singapore, they had some unpleasant things. For all these things, it is my duty to come here to straighten the record with government of Singapore. I am very happy. Today I met minister. Even I used to quote always. I try to collect some information sometimes. People are saying Singapore is integrity is very high. There is no corruption. I challenge my people also. I want to test it. Even taxi driver you offer tip, they won't take in Singapore. That is the integrity of Singapore nation. I really appreciate. That is where I am admiring this country. Small island. If you say today, any best practices are all coming from Singapore. Even